26 Papa America 002. 26 Papa America 002. My name's Thomas and City Birmingham, okay? 178, come again please with your name. Your name, over. 178, come again, 178, hello, hello.
Thomas, do you copy 233 Division Romania?
Yeah, I'll copy you, no problem, 223 Division Romania, 59, over.
59 also in the west part of Romania, very good signal this weekend from UK. My operator name is Radu, like Romeo Alpha Delta Uniform. What is your location, my friend, more exactly in UK?
I got that you're in Romania. Is your name Rafu? Your name is Rafu from Romania. Is okay?
Radu, like Romeo Alpha Delta Uniform. Radu.
I got it now, Radu. Okay, Radu. Yeah, you're good 5 and 9 here, Radu. Radu, you're good 5 and 9 to Birmingham. The city here, Radu, is Birmingham, Central England. Good modulation, by the way, from you. What's my modulation? My audio is okay?
Yes, it's very good. Actually, I am recording a YouTube video, so if you look later on YouTube and you will search 233 Lima Mike Romeo 01, which is my call, you will find this YouTube video and you will see your how I heard you here in Romania.
Okay, Radu, thank you very much for that. 233 Lima Mike 01. Okay, I'll look at that on YouTube later. But your modulation is just the same with me. It's just like you're sitting down here with me in the room here, you know? Just like we're having a beer across the table, Radu, over.
Yeah, it's exactly the same feeling from my side, really surprisingly. And actually on this radio, I think it's the first contact in Foxtrot mic modulation, because lately the propagation was not so good. This is actually an Yaesu FTdx10, and the antenna, it's an antenna for shortwave, not the antenna for CB, so it's really surprising that the signal is so good today.
Okay, Radu, I was thinking about buying that radio. A lot of friends have got that radio, the FTdx10. But every one of the FTdx10s I've heard, you know, over the air, they all sound good, Radu, and I guess it's got a very good receiver. The receiver's very good in it too, and of course, you've got the added advantage, you've got your band scope. The band scope. How's the band scope work, Radu? The band scope is very good too, isn't it, over?
Well, it's my first radio with a band scope. Of course, it's nice to have. It's a feature that is nice to have, but the receiver in SSB, it's really surprisingly good. So I think it's the best transceiver that I own so far. I have also an ICOM 7100, and also I had an Yaesu FT897 in the past, and also Kenwood TS450, and also other transceivers, but I think this is the best receiver so far. But this is the only thing which is good on this radio. The rest, the ergonomics and the software on the radio are very, very poor. I don't know how they design it, but the ergonomics are very, very bad on this radio. But yeah, the most important thing in the radio is the receiver. So then I think it's a keeper.
Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you total. Well, from what I can hear, on this side anyway, the microphone, most of the guys are using that FTdx10, are using the hand mic what comes with it, and I don't think there's any necessary to use bass mic, because the modulation, the quality from the hand mic of that FTdx10 is absolutely superb. Very, very good modulation, what I'm hearing anyway. And if you say the receiver's good too, that's okay. That's the problem with a lot of these new radios that come out. They don't always get everything 100% over.
Yeah, Roger. Well, yeah, the receiver, it's very, very good. You will see it if you buy one in the future. But the software and the other, yeah, let's say features are very difficult to access and very difficult to use. They are not very intuitive and so on. If you can live with that, then it's I think the best radio for this money which you can buy right now.
Yeah, Roger. Okay. Well, I'm going to buy one definitely. I'm not sure whether I'll buy a new one. A good second-hand one comes up, and it's not knocked about or anything. I think I'd buy it. Very good, Radu. But you're sounding good anyway. By the way, I'm working into a 3-element beam here. I just did all the coaxes on these beams in the last week. I had a problem. I didn't realise, but the propagations when it's been good. I've been working VK, New Zealand, Zulu Lima, Indonesia, Japan, the Russian islands, Vladivostok, just off Japan. Been working all over the place. And of course I've been beaming with long path and short path and turning the antenna quite a lot. And I didn't realise that the coax were caught on the rotator cage. And my God, all the water got in there with all the rain we've been having, Radu. I changed all the coax. It took me 3 days to change all coaxes over.
Yeah, Roger, that. Well, now I just find out what is the reason for such a good propagation, your directive antenna. That is the reason why your signal is so stable in a Foxtrot mic. Usually it's up and down here, at least with this HF antenna, which is not for 27 megahertz. So for sure the reason it's your antenna. It's very good. And about the radio, it makes no sense to buy a new one. I also bought a second-hand one, so I think probably in UK you can find one around 900 or 1,000 pounds in a second-hand market.
I think so. If one comes up, and the other thing is, Radu, I'd like to know who owned the radio, you know. If somebody's got one for sale, local, like, I'd go and buy it. Right. Okay, Radu, I'll see you later. I'll catch you later, okay?
Okay, my friend, can you just give me your call, because I did not write it down, and I want to write it down also to put it in the comment of the YouTube video. Can you give me your call in the final?
Yeah, 26 Papa Alpha 002, Radu, and my name's Tom, Tango Oscar Mike, okay?
Okay, 002 Tom. Thank you very much for this fantastic QSO. Have a nice rest of the weekend. Have a nice day. 73 from Romania. Bye-bye.